Michel Pereira is set to square off against Marco Tulio, and I'm pretty much looking forward to that fight. I have a feeling that Michel Pereira will be looking for an early knockout, but don't forget that Marco Tulio is also a knockout artist, a top tier shoot boxer, and we got a capoeira guy with pretty much unpredictable moves against a shoot boxer who's got really dangerous leg kicks, who's got really powerful fists. Really looking forward to this fight and having a feeling that Michel Pereira will try to do the unthinkable, some unusual strike that's gonna land on Tulio's chin, but Pereira risks too much, and that could be a chance for Tulio. I'm saying the fight will not go the distance, but as a side call, I'm still leaning Michel Pereira for the victory, though Tulio can knock him out also.